Assalamualaikum. My name is Rabia Saeed. My roll number is 60 morning. I am class from BA 2.5. Presentation of subject CT and RP assigned by Ms. Sumaira Khan. My topic is 1.2. What is critical thinking? Outline is definition. What is critical thinking? Example. Needs of critical thinking. Definition. Critical thinking is analyzing fact to perform a judgment. The subject is complex and several different definitions exist, which generally include the rational, sceptical, unbiased analysis or evaluation of factual evidence. What is critical thinking? First of all, I add some my own definition. It is the name of bringing your mental ability to work in such a way that you can understand the problem that come in front of you so that you can address these files. If critical thinking does not happen, the mental abilities of any society will not come in front of us. If a process is allowed to go like this, then how will the request come and new challenges come? For example, if water stands in one place, it will not be able to use again. Making decisions that have no ahead to toy, which cause us to respond to the problem of our lives. Then we get the answer to these difficulties and get more and more difficulties. It's my own. And what is critical thinking? Critical thinking is a skill to deal problems, gives us tool to solve a issue of life. If we cannot apply critical thinking, we cannot deal with any requirements and issue. If we solve all issue to constant thinking, it is not good for our society. Critic means explain, see the better side of thinking and understanding. Without critical thinking, the society can't share the ideas and solution to deal with the problems. If same thinking applies all the situation, we cannot fulfill new requirements and we are not able to deal new issues and problem, also can't face the new challenges. I also add one quote in it that thinking is difficult. That's why most of people judge. Example. Take example of a student issue non-interesting course, non-interesting opportunities. That's why school students cramming. If a student and teacher both not apply a critical thinking, all subject test is equal into memory test. Memory can be improved, but it has a limits. So the student can't remember a course for a long time because of this. You have a limited stock to deal the challenges. That's not. Needs of critical thinking. Have a tool to solve a problem. Memory, emotions, experience, opinion, follow leader. Sixth sense, gut feeling, decision making. If there is a skill to spend a life with full of benefits for all of our surrounding, is it only a critical thinking. Thank you.